In this video, we will see nucleus management using Mohanta's Prechopper by Dr. P. Mogg from Agartala, Tripura. After the initial steps, the antechamber has been filled up with visco. The eyeball has tilted to the left side and it is difficult to get the openings. Still, she managed to go in with the Prechopper, with the sustainer, supports the nucleus at around 5 o'clock, and the Prechopper goes through the main wound at around 11 o'clock. And now the sustainer hooks the opposite equator and the Prechopper goes through the substance of the nucleus and she gets a very nice crack. She rotates the nucleus and here she gets another crack. If you just divide the nucleus into two heminuclei and then cut one heminucleus into two pieces by the Prechopper, then it is very easy to manage the nucleus by the Phaco handpiece. Now, here goes the Phaco handpiece with its bevel down. She is using the sustainer, nucleus sustainer in the left hand and the Phaco handpiece in her right hand, and here it is. She is removing some superficial lens matter, and now she rotates the nucleus few times, and now here she is planning to hold one piece. Okay, she rotates the handpiece, makes the bevel up, and now the nucleus sustainer goes again, and now she is holding this piece and the nucleus sustainer easily divides this into two pieces. In soft cataracts, even a round bodied nucleus sustainer can easily chop a large chunk into smaller pieces. And now she is emulsifying the pieces. Ultrasonic energy is 65%, flow rate is 40 and vacuum is 400. The machine is Oertli Catarex 3 and the microscope is Lumera-T. Now this is on heminucleus. She gets a very nice hold and then chops. And now emulsification of these two pieces is to be carried out. She emulsifies this piece. There are some air bubbles sticking to the corneal endothelium, and those few air bubbles are not moving, which means she is far away from the corneal endothelium. These air bubbles may be called sentinel air bubbles. You understand that the cornea is protected if these air bubbles are not moving. This is the last piece. At this time, the vacuum is reduced to about 150 and flow rate about 25, and the last piece of the nucleus is emulsified. This is a real-time video clip. Dr. P. Mogg has done about 40 surgeries, and she has used this Prechopper maybe in 5-6 cases, or maybe about 7-8 cases, and she is able to divide the nucleus with this Prechopper and sustainer. If she can, you also can. Please try Mohanta's Prechopper in your surgeries. Your soft cataract management will be a joy henceforth. Thank you very much for your attention.